Hey folks, Philly Boy J here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make some banging baked barbecue chicken thighs. So let's get into it. The ingredients you're going to need are chicken thighs. You can use whatever kind of chicken you like actually. Barbecue sauce, homemade or store-bought, a bunch of seasonings, a green bell pepper, an onion, melted butter, and hickory liquid smoke. Now the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to get my barbecue sauce and I'm going to add the hickory liquid smoke to the barbecue sauce, and I'm going to stir it in real well. This is optional, but I like to use it because it gives the barbecue that nice smoky flavor. Make me feel like I'm eating grilled chicken. Then what you're going to do is you're going to chop your onions and green bell peppers. My grandma used to always add onions and green bell peppers to her baked barbecue chicken. So if you don't put onions and green bell peppers in your barbecue chicken, don't even make it for me. Like, I take this personal. This is a very serious matter here, guys. This is a very serious matter. Like, I don't even want the chicken. Just move the plate away from me. Take the chicken back to wherever you got it from. I don't want it. I don't want it. I take this very personal. I love the flavor of the green bell peppers and the onions and barbecue chicken. And you ain't put none in there? Oh no, I don't want that. I don't want it. Take it back to wherever you got it from. Now, as much as I love chicken thighs, the one thing that I don't like about chicken thighs is all the work you gotta put into removing the excess skin. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna remove the excess skin, and that's the dangling skin that you see like right there. You want to remove that. Now you don't want to remove all the skin because skin provides the chicken with flavor, but you don't want all that skin on there. That's too much skin. I done seen enough skin during the summer. You're going to remove all of the fat, and you're also going to remove any of that clear slime that you see on the chicken. Okay, remove that clear slime under the chicken skin. So what you're going to do now is you're going to add the butter to the chicken. Now some people say, Jay, why you add butter to your chicken? Because butter make everything taste better. Now if I'm not barbecuing my chicken, what the butter do is it gives the skin a nice crispiness and it browns it. So I definitely like to add butter if I'm not barbecuing my chicken. You're going to add the seasonings and you're going to make love to this chicken. You're going to massage it real well and real good. So get your hands dirty and get the massaging. Massage that seasoning all into the chicken. You know we don't do no bland food on the Philly Boy J cooking show. Massage that seasoning all up into the chicken. You want the chicken to be well seasoned and evenly seasoned. Get all up in there. Now this is the perfect time to preheat your oven to 350 degrees because you're going to be spending the next 5 minutes adding the barbecue sauce. What you're going to do is you're going to get the chicken, you're going to add it to the baking dish skin side down because you're going to be baking it skin side up. And the reason you bake it skin side up is because the skin has a tendency to stick to the baking dish. So you're going to add the barbecue sauce and make sure you fully coat it with the barbecue sauce. You want the chicken to be saturated in the barbecue sauce. Now my aunt used to always do this, and her belief is that by coating it before it's done with barbecue sauce and allowing the chicken to cook in the barbecue sauce, you give the chicken more of a barbecue flavor because it absorbs the barbecue sauce while it's cooking. And what she do is she poke holes into it, and I did that as well off camera. So poke some holes in your chicken and then cover it with barbecue sauce so the chicken can absorb all that barbecue flavor. That's the key to good barbecue chicken, folks. Baking it in the barbecue sauce. So you're going to make sure it's well covered in the barbecue sauce. And I'm going to add some more barbecue sauce later once it's done. So cover it really well, just like that. Some people bake their chicken and then they add the barbecue sauce once it's done. But we bake our chicken in the barbecue sauce. Then you're going to add the green bell peppers and the onions. And you're going to bake your chicken for 1 hour. That's the key to keeping it nice and tender. I don't understand people baking that chicken for 2.5 hours. Chicken is not even a tough meat. Why are you baking it for 2.5 hours? That just bugs me. It really disturbs me. It really does. After an hour, you're going to add the additional 1/2 cup of barbecue sauce. And because we only cook it for 1 hour, that's not enough time for the barbecue sauce to stick to the chicken. And that's what you want. You want the barbecue sauce to stick to the chicken. You want it to be all up on that chicken. So what you're going to do is you're going to add the remaining barbecue sauce. You're going to put it in a broiler, and it's going to come out sticking to the chicken just like that there. Guys, look at that chicken. Look at the barbecue sauce just sticking to the chicken. You can see that it's just, oh God, it's just sticking to the chicken. It won't come off. And guys, I want you to look at this chicken and see how tender it is. And the reason it's this tender right there is because we ain't cooking for 4 hours. That just really irks my nerves. Why don't people bake chicken for 4 or 5 hours? It's just chicken. You want your chicken to be nice and tender. That is the key to the best barbecue chicken. That is the key to real good baked barbecue chicken. You want it to be tender on the inside, and you want that barbecue sauce to get all into the crevices of the chicken. And it did, because I baked it in the barbecue sauce. Guys, you are going to enjoy this recipe. It is the bomb. It's bumping. So go over to my website, PhillyJCooking.com. You can print the recipe. There you'll find the exact measurements, detailed instructions, and any additional information you need to know regarding this amazingly delicious baked barbecue chicken. Follow me on social media. I'm on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. Later.